go to things like trade show websites for that particular thing. So let's just look at pet. Let's stick with the doggy niche. Pet trade show Australia. Trade shows worldwide. Public pet expos. AusPet 2018. So you come to something like this. You find a trade show that's going on, and you want to go look at the exhibitor list. So just go, if they've got an exhibitor list, and most of them do, you want to go and look at who's actually exhibiting there. So here's the exhibitors. And then you can contact these. So Fido's Pet Care, for instance. What I do is I contact them. And when you contact them, if you say, can I private label, you will freak them the hell out. Instead, what you say is, can I put my own label on your products? Do you mind if I put my own label on your products? That is how you address it here in Australia. That's the two easiest ways I know. You'll find heaps of them. No matter what it is you're looking for, you'll find heaps of them that way. It works really, really well. Try that, Cass. That's why I'd give it a go to, hum. I find all of my suppliers this way in Australia. This is how I find them. Trade shows, trade show websites, that's how I find them. Really, really good way to find them. You've got to go digging, as always, but it's the best way for sure. And I love using Aussie suppliers. It just makes the process so much easier than using a supplier in China, particularly if you're first order. So much cheaper. Not cheaper, well, so much easier. Can be cheaper, but only with total amount expended, not with unit cost. Anyway, that's another conversation. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.